Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. So look at this beautiful mural art behind me. Okay, so today our plan is we will go to the one place where we can enjoy and chill by the river, and look at this beautiful sunshine today. So I take off my jacket because it's pretty hot currently. So yeah, we will chill and enjoy, and let's see what we're gonna eat and what we're gonna do. We took the tram number 8 and then we stopped in the Mel Mawe Garbari, and here is the area. Look at this building behind me, the red brick one, and the mural art, and also another red brick building. So we will go somewhere to chill by the Warta River. Here is the map basically, and we are here. So we will go to the Warta River, which is this area. Oh, we are here. So we will go to Warta River around here. There is a place to chill like this one. Let's go. So we will walk over there. If we go there, basically there will be the Starry Rinek, but we are not going to the Starry Rinek. We are going to the direction of the Warta River, so we will go there, that area. Something like that. Let's go. I walk from that way, and then walk few meters is already the green park. I think that this area is the children playground, and while surround is the apartment building, just like this. I'll show you. Wow, it's very fun, cool area for the children, for the active outside playing. Super cool. So this is what I really like walking in Poznan. Walk few meters already, green park and fountain, just like this. Very nice. Let's go. Wow, we just arrived in one area. Behind me is already the Warta River, and I can hear the sound of the live music behind. I think that this is a kind of the restaurant, like complex of the place for chill out by the river. I can see that so many container. I mean, like the restaurant, it is made from the container. So let's see how it is. So I think this one is called container art, where there are so many restaurants basically that is built on the container, so you can chill there and eating, drinking by the Warta River. Meanwhile, here is park, and yeah, I will go there probably later to buy something to eat. Right, so here we are in the Warta River, Stari Koritowarti. So you can enjoy, chill and cycling, walking here. So there it is. We are here. Oh, we are here. Right, so let's see. This is how actually mostly people enjoying the time by the river. So yeah, let's go there later. But first of all, I'm already hungry. Let's buy something to eat. Oh, there's the background is the Cathedral Church, if you remember that. And I think that's also another old building, the park. And yeah, let's go here. You see people cycling, enjoying the time by the river, sunbathing. So nice. Basically, this area is made of the container. Like I said, there are so many restaurants, so you can chill here enjoying sunshine. And also there is the sand is exactly like a beach club vibe. It is not a beach club actually, but it's kind of close by the river. So what I can say, river club. And yeah, let's buy something to eat. They have a Western food, and hey, they have Asian food as well, and they have a sapi kangka. So many food basically. I feel like I wanna eat a sapi kangka, sapi kangki. So this one. So yeah, let's see. So if Bali have a beach club to chill by the beach, but here they have a kind of a river club. You see exactly there is a sand there. So you can bring your dogs, you can bring your child. I think that all the family friendly place here. And look at the nice wind, beautiful sunshine. Very nice. Bought one sapi kangka pepperoni cost me about 32 zloty, and they give me this one. So when it's ready, it will be beautiful. Nice. Look at this huge portion of sapi kangka. Oh, very huge. So I choose the pepperoni one. So good. It's very nice place, so actually really comfy and enjoyable, surrounded by the green, and there over there is the beautiful river. Let's go. That was a very nice, enjoyable place to chill by the river with the family, with the friends. And what I see is that most of them, they are young people there. So now I know where the young people actually chill or enjoy their time on the weekend. Not always going to the pub or nightclub, but in the afternoon they may chill by the Warta River. What I can say, like a river club. Decided to go down by the river and let's enjoy and chill there. Nice. And this one is the stairs to go down. That many people are coming to the Warta River doing a barbecue. You see, like these people and enjoying time by the river, having picnic. You see, I think that during the summer will be more and more busy, and then many container restaurant just like in front of me with the music, just like that. And the thing is that they also provide with the what is it called, the rubbish bin. So yeah, if you already finished, you can throw all the rubbish there. Very nice, enjoyable. And they have a sand like on the beach. So maybe if you open the river club like in Bali, 5 beach club, something like that, probably will be successful. Just like in front of me, you see they already live DJ. I think that will be a perform. And yeah, I don't know that whether you can swim here or not, but maybe not. The current is so strong, but yeah, you go here, bring your beer and drink, enjoying your time with your friend. Amazing. You see, some people already bring their own speaker and switch on their loud music. Disco polo. Nice. Warta River. Wow. And next to it, it's already park. So what I can say then, whenever you go, always few meters already green park like this. So nice and clean and green. I see that on the right side is a very nice apartment, nice garden, nice park, and that's the Warta River. That's the Warta River and the bridge, and that's Polytechnic Poznan, and next to it is the children playground again. You see, everywhere is a very family friendly place. And we will go home waiting for the tram. Nice. We will take number 3. We go to the Most Teatralne, or we take number 16, the same Most Teatralne. So this is actually the situation in the tram. We are waiting. Okay, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Warta River, Barzo Polecam. Wow. And look at the park behind me. So many places actually to chill and relax during daytime. So yeah, very nice.